Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am going to buy my new phone, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I am really excited to show you guys which color I'm gonna buy. And I don't know exactly which color I will buy because my brother just called me to be ready and he will pick me up in 5 minutes. So let's see which color will be available at the store. That's also important. So let's see, and I'm gonna show you my whole outfit once I'm out. So yeah, so let's go guys. So guys, here we are at the Apple Store. Guys, ये रहा iPhone 17 Pro Max and ये रहा इसका adapter. So yeah. Here we are paying for iPhone. और मैं कैश में दे रही हूँ सब पैसा. And guys, iPhone 17 Pro Max, this is 512 GB, so I have to pay 1,69,900 for this. So guys, यहाँ पे पैसा काउंट कर रहे हैं. So guys, मेरे सारे पैसे गए बस ये दो चीज़ के लिए. So guys, finally I'm home and here is my new iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver color, and I'm gonna do unboxing now. I can't wait to show you guys my new iPhone. Oh my god, it is so cool and sexy, guys. Look at the color. This lady cost me 1,69,900, and this one, the adapter was 3,800. So yeah, now let's do the unboxing. So guys, moment of reveal. Let's unbox. Oh my god. Guys, look at this beautiful color. Oh my god. Guys, I can't express how I am feeling right now. So now oh my god. Apple logo. Oh my god. Hello. English, India. This is so like I can't express in words, but this is like kind of different feeling right now. So now, guys, we have got a cable. And let's unbox the adapter. Oh my god. Even the adapter is really cool, guys. And this thing cost me almost 4,000. Now I have to set up and transfer my old data from my old iPhone, and it's gonna take like 4 hours. So yeah, I'm in love with my new phone, guys. Hello, how it looks, guys. So guys, I hope we reach 1 million subscriber through my new phone, and I pray for the best in 2026 because it's only 1 month left in this year, and I pray our family get bigger and bigger. And please guys, those who didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe right now, because we're gonna put a lot of fun videos and you will definitely gonna enjoy that. So I did all this expenses for you guys, so please, it's free, just subscribe right now. And yeah guys, that's it for today. See you all on next video. Bye bye.